Today, the Indian economy is growing at a phenomenal rate and the logistics industry is at the forefront. Enter All Cargo Global Logistics, one of India's leading logistics solutions companies. We have developed our very own science of logistics. Decades of experience and in-depth industry knowledge have helped us distill this science of logistics into 5 laws. Being a one-stop shop, All Cargo offers a complete range of logistics services under one roof. Multimodal transport operations, CFS services and project cargo handling.
Even as logistics has become a highly specialized business, we have spared no effort to gear ourselves to face the challenge no matter how big or small.
As a multimodal transport operator, we offer end-to-end freight services using sea, road, rail or air for import and export. We are among the earliest entrants in the consolidation business in India. Today, we are one of the leading LCL and FCL players in the country. We provide port-related logistics support services through our CFS near JNPT.
All our processes are standard and they are delivered with efficiency all around the globe. It has a record of pilfer-proof, error-free customer service to all our customers for the last 3 years.
We provide various services like storage, handling, stuffing and consolidation of cargo.
Port permits 72 hours, but our aim is to move 48 hours. And now we are achieving the movement of all import containers from the port to CFS within 24 hours.
We also undertake project cargo handling.
Project cargo means freight that is voluminous either by weight, size or quantity, which is meant for a particular plant such as steel, power, oil and gas industry or any infrastructural development. It requires proper planning, route selection, packaging, haulage, overseas handling, storage, delivery. In short, a complete time-bound logistics solution.
For us, size does not matter. No consignment is too big or too small. All Cargo has equipped itself to transport virtually any size, kind or quantity of cargo across the world. We offer both less than container load consolidation as well as full container load handling.
We've been using All Cargo as our NUSCC for the LCL businesses that we have, looking at the strengths and the facilities they have to offer. And I must say that it's one of the best around the Nhava Sheva area.
Our project cargo handling services include designing and execution of customized solutions for the transport of high-value equipment. Strict adherence to international safety standards and trained supervisory staff ensure safe handling of hazardous cargo. A global footprint enables us to offer quality services to customers worldwide. To strengthen our international operations, we have acquired a strategic stake in Antwerp-based EQ Hold NV, one of the leading global NVOCC players. EQ Line has 110 offices in 56 countries, 203 franchisees and agents in 120 countries.
India being the very fast growing economy, we together with All Cargo have a long-term planning now that we can fulfill and being very competitive in this market.
We have a pan-Indian presence across 25 locations.
We have an extensive branch network across the country. This ensures that we are as close as possible to the customer and we are able to service his needs wherever he is located within the country.
We have adopted the best industry practices across all areas of operations, from technology to HR policies. Our ERP system helps us enforce procedure and maintain an error-free workflow process.
We were also one of the earliest to go into web-based track and trace of cargo.
Besides following the best environmental practices, we also maintain the highest standards of safety and security. We are a ISO 9001-2000 quality certified company. Our people are the most important assets and therefore we constantly endeavor to build a top-class team.
We conduct continuous training programs for our people to ensure that they are totally customer-centric, that they are able to offer the best customer service to our customers at all times.
Our pioneering efforts in modernization and international outlook helped us earn respect among industry peers and clients. Keeping with global industry trends, we resolved to achieve both organic and inorganic growth. The EQ Hold NV acquisition was a result of this approach. We participate in various bodies and forums that represent the industry and play an instrumental role in framing policies to maximize the logistics sector's growth potential. At All Cargo, we believe an organization owes a lot to society at large. Our social initiatives include providing health and education services in the JNPT area. All in all, we have mastered the science of shrinking the world to expand our clients' businesses. All Cargo Global Logistics. Geography simplified.